Good morning. Here we are to read Petey again together, but before we start reading, let's review our snap words. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, what does this word say? This. Where. Was. All. You're doing so good. What about this one? Put. What about this one? Yes. Of. This one? Him. And this one? Yes. He. And the last one is yes. Come. Those are all snap words that we're going to find in our reading today. Now today as we read Petey, we're going to focus on blends. Blends are when you have two consonants together that kind of blend together to almost make one sound. Let's go through our blends chart and you'll see what we mean. So here we have the S blends first. Ready? Say sk, scarf. I'll say it, then you say it. Sk, scarf. Sk, skateboard. Sm, smile. Sn, snowman. Sp, spoon. St, star. Sw, swing. Then we have some R blends. You ready to try the R blends? Here we go. Br, broom. Cr, crayon. Dr, drum. Fr, frog. Gr, grape. Tr, tree. We also have L blends. They go like this. Bl, block. Cl, clock. Fl, flower. Gl, glove. Pl, plane. Sl, slide. And then these are our digraphs. We're not going to practice those today, just our blends. So I made a little quiz for us. So I have some pictures over on this side, and I have some blends here. And let's see if we can match the picture with the blend that it goes with. So here our first picture is a picture of grass. Say grass. Grass smile, grass snow, or grass grape. Which blend is at the beginning of grass? If you said grape, G-R like grape, you are correct. Grape, grass. They both begin with the blend grrr. Let's try the next one. This one is like small. Say small. Sm. Like sm, smile, or sn, snowman. Small. Tell me. Do you think it goes here? Do you think it goes here? Let's check it. Sm, smile. Sm, small. Yes, the blend is the same at the beginning. They both have the sound sm at the beginning, the SM sound. This one is snore. Say snore. Show me what it means to snore. And this one's easy because there's only one left, right? Sn, snowman. Sn, snore. They both start with the sounds sn at the beginning, like snowman with the SN blend. So as we read Petey today, we're going to look especially for blends in our text, and we're going to make sure we read those with the two sounds at the beginning. All right, so here is our cover of our book, Petey. Let's read it again and look for blends. Here we go. This is Petey. Okay. On this page, there's a blend. That's the sm blend. Look on that page and see if you can find it. Can you find it? I see it. Here we go. So here's the word that starts with the sound sm. I see the sm blend at the beginning, and I see the word all at the end. So if we read those two parts together, sm, all, what does that word say? Yes, it says small. So when we come to this word, will you read it for me? I'm not going to read it. You're going to read it. Okay? Petey is a gosling. A yellow gosling who sometimes forgets things. Okay, I'm just going to read this page. Petey forgets things, even when Mama Goose reminds him. He forgets to come in out of the rain. He forgets to eat all his food. He forgets to tidy his nest. He forgets lots of things. He forgets to take a nap. He forgets to turn the egg. But can you remember the one thing that Petey never forgets to do? He doesn't forget to wear his hat, right? But Petey never forgets to wear his lucky baseball cap. He wears it everywhere he goes. All right, there's another blend on this page. There's a sl blend, like slide. Can you find the sl blend? Where is it? Can you find it? Oh, there it is. And this one is funny because the picture to help us remember the sound sl is slide, and this word actually does say slides. This is a slide like in the park, and this slides means that like sliding, like something that people do, but it sounds the same. So when we come to this word, will you read it for me? Slides. Here we go. He wears it when he dives. He wears it when he... Yes! Oh, here's another blend. Look and see if you can find the sn, like snowman blend. Do you see it? I see it too. Let's see if we can tap and blend this. Let's put the sn together as we tap and blend. Sn, ars. Oh, I do think it says snores. Okay, so when we come to this word, will you read it for me? Okay, thanks. He wears it when he explores. He wears it when he... Let's do it. Ready? All right, let's keep reading. Petey never forgets to wear his lucky red baseball cap everywhere he goes. Then, one day, Petey put his lucky red baseball cap in a secret place, but he forgot where he put it. Here's the problem. He looked in the pond. He looked in the apples. Oh, there's two blends on this page. One is the fl blend and one is the gr blend. Can you find those? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, look. Remember how slides was the same thing? Look, the picture that helps us remember fl is flower, and this word does say flower. But this word doesn't say grapes. It has that blend grr at the beginning. What could this word say? Oh, I think you're right. Grass, grass. So when we get to this word, will you read the word flower for me? And then when we get to this word, read the word grass. he looked under the pot. He looked in the tall. We're such a good team. But Petey could not remember where he had put it. Did you forget to turn the egg? Mama Goose asked. Petey slowly trudged to the nest. Let's look at this word trudged. What does that mean? He trudged. Let's look at the picture. Can you get up and show me what it means to trudge? Does he look like he's going like this? I don't think so. Does he look like he might be going like this? Oh yeah. I think trudged means that you're walking slow and maybe you feel kind of bad. Can you show me what it means to trudge? Okay, let's keep reading it. Poor Petey. He looks so sad. Part of the reason I know he's sad is because he's trudging to his nest. Okay, let's read. Petey slowly trudged to the nest. His lucky red baseball cap was gone. Then he saw it. There you are, he said. Petey is a gosling, a small yellow gosling who forgets things sometimes. Look, there I am. I'm saying, congratulations! We read the book together. Now, I made a special little word work activity for us. You know, I have this neighbor who's a kindergartner, and he wrote some sentences, and they don't really make sense because he forgot to put blends in 2 of his words. So I was like, you know what? I actually teach kindergarten, and my kindergartners can help you fix it up. So can you help me do that, and then I'll show him how to fix it up? All right, thanks. So let's look at this first one. Look, it's a slug. A slug is like a snail without a shell. But look at what my neighbor accidentally wrote. It's okay, because he sure sounded his best. Here we go. He said, a sug creeps slowly. And I was like, hey, this isn't a sug. It's a slug. I think you need to put a blend, not just s-a-g. You need to put sul-a-g. Let's try these different blends. How about smug? No, that doesn't sound like slug. Let's try this one. Slug. Yes. Oh my gosh. Let's cross out what my neighbor wrote. We'll just cross what he wrote out. Instead of putting a s at the beginning of sug, what blend could we tell my neighbor to put? Yes. Like slide. G. Oh, he's going to be so happy that we helped him. All right, let's help him with the next one. Look at what he wrote here. It's okay, we'll just help him fix it up. He wrote, a sake slithers on the ground. And I was like, that's not a sake, that's a snake. Maybe we shouldn't just put a S at the beginning of snake. We should put a blend, maybe the sn blend. Let's check it. Let's see. Maybe we should put a S and M. Let's try that out. Smake. No, that doesn't make sense. How about an S and an N? Snake. Oh, yes. So let's help my neighbor here. All right, let's get my pen. Here we go. Let's cross it out. Instead of just putting an S at the beginning of snake, what should he put? I agree. S-N. Snake. All right. I will tell him that you guys helped me help him fix it up, and he will be so thankful. Thank you for helping my friend fix up their work. But most of all, thank you for reading this book with me today. I love reading with you, and I can't wait to read with you again tomorrow.